What is up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find products to sell on Amazon without using tools like Blackbox. We are going to go outside of Amazon on different marketplaces and I'm going to show you how to get ideas and find products that you might be able to sell on Amazon so you're not searching for them like everybody else that is starting on Amazon. This is a way to think outside of the box and get a lot of ideas that you might have not thought of if you didn't look at these different websites. But before we get into it, we do have a winner for this month. It is Matt Adler. Go ahead and message me. You won the course or $100 prize, and he won that prize because I do a giveaway at the end of every month where I give away my course or $100, and all you have to do is like my videos and comment, and then you have a chance to win. I pick a random winner in the comment section and then I announce it at the end of every month. So congrats Matt, go ahead and message me. But we're gonna get into my computer and I'm gonna show you what website I look at and how I get ideas for products to sell on Amazon. Let's go. Alright guys, so first off I want to apologize if you could hear the rain in the background. It's actually raining here in California, which is pretty rare. So if you could hear that, sorry about that, but we're going to get into the video right now. So I'm using wish.com. You've probably heard of it. It's an online platform where they have a ton of different products at very cheap prices. A lot of these products actually come from China, but I'm going to show you how I scroll through this website and find products that I would have never thought of, and it gives you a lot of ideas on how you could differentiate products that are already sold on Amazon. So you're not doing research based on the products already sold on Amazon. You are finding new products and different ways you could differentiate products to sell on Amazon. So I'm going to show you what I do. I'm not going to scroll for hours. I'm going to try to keep it short. So basically I'm on the popular tab right here and I'm going to scroll through the products and see anything that might stand out and then see if it's already sold on Amazon. And if not, I'm going to check the numbers using X-ray and helium-10. But you're going to scroll through these products. I'm kind of doing a freestyle, but like this product right here, I would have never thought of a cleaner for your blinds. But I'm not going to sell that. But that's a product I would have never thought of if I didn't go on this website. So you're getting a lot of ideas just by this website, by looking at the pictures. Here's another product. I don't even know what it is. So I'm going to click on it. It is a dumpling maker. So I'm going to go to Amazon. I'm going to type in dumpling maker and I'm going to hit search, and we could see they're already sold on Amazon, but that's a product I would have never thought of. I can't really differentiate a dumpling maker, so I'm not going to sell this product, but you get the point. I'm finding products I would have never thought of that I didn't even know this existed, but I found it on wish.com. So I'm going to keep scrolling and actually see if I could find a good product. Okay, so I was scrolling and I found these coasters. I think they look pretty cool. I'm not sure if they're on Amazon. So I'm going to go to Amazon and I am going to type in drink coaster. Okay, so obviously there's some sellers with a lot of reviews, so it's going to be pretty competitive, but I don't see those actual coasters on Amazon. I would have to scroll through some of the pages. Let me type in hexagon, see if they pop up here. Yeah, so I'm not finding those exact coasters. These are kind of close, but they're not the same exact ones. So you might be able to differentiate. Oh, here they are actually right here. So good thing I kept scrolling because they are already sold on Amazon and they're pretty cheap. But we could check and see how well they are actually doing. It looks like they just launched. They have no reviews, so we're going to hit helium-10. We're going to run X-ray, and I bet they're doing pretty bad because they just launched, so they're not probably doing that much revenue. And we can't even run it because it must be so new that it says NA. But that is how you could find products and get ideas on how you could differentiate them. They weren't the same exact colors, but based on that one listing, I would probably not sell it. It's a competitive market, so I'm going to keep scrolling through all of these products. Okay, so here's like a little storage bag for onions and fruit. I'm going to click on it. Another cool thing is if you have a very limited budget and you want to test order these, you could buy 20 of these at $3 each. That's 60 bucks. And then you could send them to your house and put them in a box or a bag, put your label and brand on it, and try to sell them on Amazon. Only send in 20 or 30 units. And that's going to cost you a couple $100 rather than finding a supplier on Alibaba.com and waiting for it to ship from Alibaba.com. This is a lot cheaper and quicker method if you want to test out the market before you launch that product. So that's another idea with this website. But let me go. It's a storage hanging bag for kitchen. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to type in mesh storage hanging bag kitchen, and let's see what they have. So they're already on Amazon. Here's one, $7.95, so it's a really cheap price. So I would not sell them on Amazon, but that's a product I would have never thought of if I didn't see it right here. So the main goal is to just keep scrolling through all of these different products. There's a lot of new products. You could actually go in and type home decor right here, hit start, And then we will see a whole bunch of different products related to home decor category. So you could go through here, try to find products like these moon looking things. So this is a wall hanging tapestry, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to type in wall hanging tapestry, and then we are going to scroll down here, and I don't see that one. But yeah, I'm not going to spend hours going back and forth on every product on Wish, but that's what you do. You go in here, you see what they are, you can see all the reviews. If they're made cheaply, you can make a better product and get it designed on Alibaba.com. There's a lot of things and ideas you could get from this website. So you could go to different Express, deals, there's deals on here, so you could buy products at a really cheap price. It looks like that's some kind of toy, I don't know what it is though. But we're going to scroll through here, so there's a lot of crazy things on this page. But you get the point. So you're going to go on here, you're going to try to find different products that are not already sold on Amazon. It's going to give you a lot of different ideas on how you could differentiate products that are already sold on Amazon. And there's a lot of things that can come up on this website that you would have never thought even existed. So that's what I do on AliExpress, on Wish, on different websites like Etsy and Pinterest. And you try to find products that you didn't know were out there because they're not on Amazon already. You're going to have a completely new product, and it's going to add value to the products that are already on Amazon and give a customer a different option to buy. So they might buy your product over another product that has 1,000 reviews. But that is basically it. Check out my other videos. I have a video where I try to find products on AliExpress, and a lot of product research videos are on my channel. Product research is the hardest part of the whole process in Amazon FBA. It takes a while to find a good product. You can get lucky and find a product pretty fast, or it could take months to find a good product. If you need any help with product research, check out my links down below. I also do coaching. But that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.